I don't have enough food in my stomach. But it's so good. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. So we are making a apple chai pie cocktail today, and I'll make sure I list everything down below for you. So what I first did was use 2 ounces of apple pie liqueur. I couldn't find the Bailey's options, but when I found this, I was like, oh yes, I need to hurry up and get it. And guys, I'm glad that I picked this up because it was actually really good. And like I said, I will list everything down below for you. And if you are new to my channel, my name is DollFace Brii, aka Brianna, and I'm so glad that you all are here. And user discretion is advised with this Tennessee cider. Last time I had it, I was in college and I literally ended up on the floor. And y'all, after a few sips of this drinks, y'all, I was doing the margarita, what, something like that. You know that dance, y'all. I was toe up, but it was so good. And you could use any vanilla vodka that you like. I had found this brand when I was at Total Wine, so I was like, let me try it. And I actually really did like it. It wasn't too strong. It wasn't like very overly vanilla-y, if that makes sense. And then you're gonna use some spiced chai. I used 2 ounces of that. You could just either use concentrate like I did, or you could just make regular chai tea and then just use that. And then you can use any type of dairy substitute, oat creamer, or any type of creamer that you like. I used 2 ounces and I poured it in, and this whole mix together made 1 drink. So you're making it for other people, just double it by how many people that you're going to make it for. Then you're going to add some ice, 1 more piece for good luck. And I don't know about y'all, but the sound of ice clinking together just does something to me. Listen. Yes, perfect. So yes, I had shook this up for about 30 seconds. And as you can see, I was having a good time. And this is honestly my favorite part, and of course optional. I don't know why I shook it up again. I think because I had wanted mine to be really frothy. And this is the best part because I love decorating drinks, and at the long hard day we all need a nicely pretty decorated drink. So I'm going to use some caramel syrup. This brand was a very thick syrup, but if you don't like caramel, you don't have to use it. Just use whatever you like. Then I'm going to slowly take the edge of the rim of my glass and of course put it through the caramel. Very self-explanatory. So after I got the caramel on there the way that I like, and if you're somebody who likes extra caramel, please feel free to drizzle it in your glass. And we're going to shake the drink up 1 more time for good luck. Because honestly, guys, I didn't know how this was going to taste. I just thought about this in the middle of the night, and I was like, let's try it. And then you're going to slowly pour your contents of the cocktail into the glass. And it's very important to pour it slowly because you don't want the tumbler to break apart and you make a mess. And this is where I got a little overzealous. I wanted to keep this part in there because, like I said, this is my first time making this drink. But I want you guys to know that I mess up too, make mistakes. And while I'm teaching you guys these drinks, I'm actually learning myself as well. So I had got some marshmallow, whipped cream, And I wanted to put the cinnamon stick in there, but I knew it was gonna work. I was just hoping that it was, but my cinnamon stick was too short for the glass, and as you can see, it would not stay. It would have sunk in there. Then I tried to spray the marshmallow whipped cream in, but y'all, it was way too thick. I could not pour it myself, and then by the time I started spraying it so it could get out, it would not cooperate at all, and I was like, okay, this is not going to be cute. I tried to shift it in the middle, like how you know you have a slice of pie with whipped cream on top. It just wasn't working. As you can see, it didn't even want to come out anymore. And I was like, you know what? This is not going to work. Abort mission. Abort. Abort. As you can see by my hands, I was like, you know what? Whatever. The caramel started dripping on the side of the class. And I was like, okay, flag on the play. Stop. Okay, guys. Be easy on me because I'm looking a little rough today. It's content day. And I just had this idea for this drink literally in the middle of the night. So I went and I brought all the stuff. As you can see from the video, everything is new. So be easy on me because I know I'm looking rough. But okay, I wanted to do a taste test on camera so if y'all know that it's good, because I don't want to be sitting there faking for y'all. I want y'all to get the real deal proof of if it's good. Okay, it looks good though. My first like official drink. Okay, let's see. It's better than what I expected. Okay, it's not too sweet. You could definitely taste the Tennessee cider. That's why I only put a little bit of this in there. It's very strong. But the vanilla's kind of masking it. Of course, the caramel is really good. The spice chai, you could really get the aftertaste of the spices. I don't know, maybe if I used a different brand, it would have been different. But, you know, I'm a Trader Joe's girl, so I had to use Trader Joe's. But I would definitely make this again. I feel like, let me taste it again, just, you know. She's a cute holiday drink. She's cute. She's cute. I definitely would recommend. I think y'all should make it. Clearly it's good because I keep licking my lips. But guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is DollFace Brii. If you are new here, aka Brianna. If you would make this drink, make sure that you post it and you tag me in it, and make sure you use my hashtags, and of course like this video, subscribe to my channel, and guys, I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Oh, cheers. Cheers, guys. I'm sorry I forgot to do that. You definitely need to have this on a full stomach because I don't have enough food on my stomach. But it's so good. Okay, bye guys.